Things are looking settled once again across South Africa. Tula sees where it's been an almost rain-free day over the country, but we have been keeping an eye on an area of showers that moved from southern Namibia last night into parts of the Northern Cape, and as it's continued, we've still seen a few showers lasting all the way through to the northwest, very patchy, very light, but those could still hang around for this evening. To the east of that, we've had a little bit of cloud over Gauteng. It kept the province quite cool for today, and there was also some cloud over northern KwaZulu-Natal, where there were a few light showers earlier on in the day. For tonight, much of the country staying dry under clear to partly cloudy skies, but once again, a few light showers possible on the Highveld, and we'll take a closer look at that area in just a moment. Very cloudy conditions continuing to move in along the west coast. This is already due to the approaching cold front, and that's going to make landfall in the first half of tomorrow morning. Over the southwestern Cape, it is going to be a wet start to the day for Cape Town and the surrounding areas. But this is a fairly fast-moving front. It's going to move eastwards as the day goes on. So over the Western Cape, things start clearing out. Showers likely to spread into the Eastern Cape for tomorrow afternoon and evening, although those will be quite isolated. Checking out tonight's rainfall probability map, we see just very patchy showers possible over the northwest as well as parts of the Free State. Gauteng, especially over the southwestern corner of the province, there could be a couple of showers in that area towards western area, Carletonville, Johannesburg. You're really on the border, but as mentioned, these are very light and very isolated. For winds, we're going to see light winds over much of the interior of the country overnight. Still quite gusty along the eastern coastline, but those winds will gradually ease off as we go into tomorrow. And the cold front moves through, not too much wind associated with the system, although it does become gusty over parts of the central interior, up to about 25 kilometers per hour. For tomorrow afternoon. At the same time, fresh winds develop along the southern coastline. Those become strong in the late afternoon. So Port Elizabeth, you can expect stronger winds, including the Cape St. Francis area, and that continues into tomorrow night as well. Let's move ahead to your minimum temperatures across the country for Wednesday morning, and it's going to be a cold one, as one might expect for June. Over the interior, most places well into the single digits. Above the 10-degree mark along the east coast, as well as for Cape Town. George, on the other hand, dips to an overnight low of 8. A quick check of tomorrow afternoon, and it's going to stay warm along the east coast of South Africa, mid-20s for this area, but here we can see in the west feeling the effects of the cold front. It's going to be a chilly day over that region, along with rain, as we've already seen for Cape Town as well as for George, only in the mid-teens for that area. And it stays quite cold for Cape Town over the next few days. A series of fronts are going to be moving through, keeping temperatures below 20 degrees Celsius. A few showers on Friday as well as Saturday, but on Sunday it looks as though there's going to be a really decent cold front moving through. It's going to be a cold one, and we'll be keeping a close eye on that system over the next couple of days. Thursday brings a few drops of rain to parts of KwaZulu-Natal, as well as cooler conditions to that province, while temperatures will climb into the upper teens along the south coast. And on Friday, things change in the south as another front moves through, bringing some rain to that area. Skies clear in KZN, and it's going to be a mild day for Johannesburg and Pretoria. That's it from the Weather Centre for now. I'll be back later with another update.
Hey, Louis, thank you so much for the